everybody, welcome to the channel. This is the Chris and Christy channel. Today, my wife's a little bit tired, so she had to go to bed a little bit early. But I'm here to do a review, and it's going to be a review on this monstrous of a rifle. This is the mosin nagant M9130. This is a Soviet sniper rifle. It is chambered in the 7.62 by 54R. It's the mosin nagant round. This one is from the Ishevek arsenal from 1942. So definitely a war rifle. And today we're going to show you how to load and use this gun. So kind of load it down there. This is what the magazines look like. The stripper clips, I should call them. The magazine is on the gun here. It's internal. But this is the clip. It's called a stripper clip. Now I've heard that there's some ways you can do this. Lower the camera down a little bit more. There we go. Now when you open this up, I've heard some people say when you put it in, just put it in like that. And I've heard to push up on it. Which, I mean, I'm not entirely sure how that's supposed to work, but I've had people say there. There we go. Yeah, if you pull up on it, it goes in a little bit easier. Can be a bitch to get it in there. Or, sorry. But it can be difficult to get them in there. Or if you want to, just load it the old-fashioned way. That's the thing about these stripper clips. Sometimes they don't want to work correctly. And you can just do it the old-fashioned way. Just load 5 rounds in. Yeah, 5 rounds, and that'll go. Taking it in. Then it will eject it out. Also, if you need to get the rounds out, you can also go down below. You can move it back somehow. Now, there's some way you can do that. Hang on. There we go. If you push down hard enough, you can empty out the bottom. Empty out the rounds. Make it fall out. See. That's the magazine. Looks like you use some grease, actually. That's probably why it's a heck to get it to go in. But the thing with these stripper clips is they're all different. I mean, some of them's from Yugoslavia, some of them's from Russia. I mean, some of them work, some of them don't. And it shouldn't have any play in it, but it does. So, I mean, the Russians really didn't make these things to be foolproof. I guess a Russian soldier could load these things pretty dang fast. I don't see it though. I was told some of them just loaded them by hand. I was told if you straighten them up before you put them in, that makes a difference. If you straighten it up when you put it in like that. I don't know if that's true or not, but I was told if you did that, you kind of, let's see. No, it doesn't make a difference. It's still hard as heck to get them in there. Oh well. It's not like I'm going to be using this gun like an AR-15. So, I mean, it is a pretty neat gun. I mean, if you want to get the bolt out of it, I'll show you how to do that. Just kind of pull the trigger, and it drops out. If you want to clean it, put it back in, hold the trigger down. It's going to lock back in place. This is the, sorry, that's the windage sight. Which you can fix by squeezing in. Like I said, this is a old sniper rifle where you can see the old place where the scope mount was. It's a nice little rifle. It's old. It's got some tools and stuff behind this, which I checked it out. Other than that, I mean, it's a nice rifle. It still shoots great. It does shoot these things. I usually use the stripper clips. I just basically keep them on there just to keep them from being loose, so I can just get them out and just get them and start loading them. Because unless you can find original Russian stripper clips that's not aftermarket, they're not going to work right. And these are aftermarket stripper clips. But if you got any questions about these, about the Mosin, it was a really good rifle. It was designed back in 1891, and it was made all the way until the late 50s, I want to say. It's been in almost every war from before World War I to now. I've heard some stories in Iraq, Afghanistan, finding these things being used as sniper rifles by Iraqi insurgents and Taliban and Mujahideen and stuff like that. But it's a really nice rifle. I mean, shoots these steel core sniper rounds, which I'm not gonna kid, like they're pretty strong. Currently these things are going for an insane amount of money, by the way. They're going for about like $300 to $500 from a mosin. These used to be able to get them for under $100. You could buy like a whole crate of them for like $500. A crate of like 10 of them. And now, you know, they're going for like $500-600. That's insane. And this ammo now, 7.62 by 5.4, you'd be like in disbelief how much this stuff is selling for. This stuff is selling for almost $2 a bullet per round. I mean, that's insane. You used to be able to get this stuff in Spam cans for dirt cheap. But just wanted to give you guys a quick video looking at the loading of it. It's pretty difficult. I'd really say unless you get the original Russian stripper clips instead of these aftermarket ones. I just wanted to show you guys. These aftermarket ones are crap. If you use the originals, these things will load a heck of a lot easier. I mean, you can pretty much do it and, you know, like load it easy with your thumb. You can just load them easy. But these aftermarket ones, they're crap. And it's mostly because the rounds can't even slide out of these things easy. I mean, you can look how hard it is to get one round down. You know. See how hard it is. And I'm pushing. So, don't get the aftermarket ones. Try to find the original Soviet block clips to use. The bullets shoot fine. You can use old 1960s, 70s bullets. Works fine. This is actually steel core Russian rounds. So, you know, these were sniper rounds. But, hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe. And comment. And like and share. Thank you.